I'm about to show you how you can add a location to your Instagram story. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So let's say I want to add a story. You can click the plus icon to create a story and choose a photo or video from your gallery or take one with your camera. Or you can also go to any post and repost it on your story. So once you have your story ready, what you need to do is click this stickers icon at the top right, and you will see the option to add a location like this. So if you click here, you will need to select a location or enable your GPS to see places near your location. So let's say I want to put in New York, for example, New York City. Just click it, and now we can add the location to our story. And if we tap, we can switch between the different styles. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.